Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about why we do the repartition in an RDD. Okay, so I've covered in many videos where we are saying that repartitioning we do because of let's say we have a whole chunk of data lying, or we have, let's say we have one rack without partitions. Okay, with a jumbled clothes, right? And or we have a very big file, so only one executor or one person can read that file, right? Because he only know where till the time till the lines he has read and how many remainings. Okay, the next executor or the next thread cannot work on the same file. Okay, so it distribute the workload more efficiently by dividing the repartition, by dividing the lines of the file. Okay, by splitting the file into multiple lines. Okay, so it basically divides the workload, and it avoids the memory problem also, right? So you are not loading the whole file in one go. You are dividing the number of lines. Okay, or the number of partitions. And repartitioning, how we can do the repartitioning? We can do the partition by, coalesce, repartition and sort within index. So partition by, here we need to pass the column. Let's say we have t-shirts and pants. Okay, so we can, or we have ties or shoes, so we can say that partition by the formal clothes. Okay, so we know that in the one partition we have some, and formal clothes, in the other partition we have some other formal clothes. Okay, based on the categories that we have. So in first partition we have the formal pants, okay, t-shirts, formal t-shirts or shirts. And then we have the coalesce. Coalesce is same as the partition, but its shuffling parameter is false. Okay, without shuffling it will do the partition. And what does that mean is, in each partition we have, let's say we have um, um, in two partition, if let's say we have the pants. Okay, so what it will do is, it will remove that partition and put all the pants together. Okay, so it will try to reduce the partition. Okay, and in the repartitioning, same thing. If we want, out of there are how many racks? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Out of 6 racks I want 12 racks. Okay, so it will do the reshuffling of placing all the items together in the, instead of 6 racks it will put the clothes in the 12 racks. Okay, and the repartition and sort within partition. So apart from that, it adds one functionality, which is sorting. Okay, so out of if we have in the one rack we have t-shirts and pants together, so it will put pants because it is alphabetical order, p, and then the t-shirt t. Okay, thank you.